My name is Tilda. I use they, them pronouns, and I am a senior developer educator at LaunchDarkly. Can you all see my screen? Cool. Um, so for those of you who haven't heard of LaunchDarkly, we are a feature management and experimentation platform. So we make it easy to make changes to your application at runtime without needing to deploy anything. So for example, you have this cool new feature you built, and when you roll out new features, that's when things are likely to break. So you could wrap that new feature in a feature flag and then slowly, iteratively send it out to your users so that you can be confident that things aren't going to break, or roll it back quickly if they do. And as Danny was saying, there are so many hard things. Like, it's one thing to make an AI demo, and it is a whole nother animal to get it into production for a bunch of reasons. For example, new models are coming out every day, which just makes that evaluation of latency, cost, and quality much harder. Um, Writing generative AI prompts, they are super sensitive to small changes in a wording. And your engineers shouldn't be the only people who can iterate on those because realistically, it's going to take a couple of cycles of testing to figure out the most optimized prompt for your use case. And what is experimentation other than testing in production at scale? And you cannot experiment based on vibes. You need real data to make smart decisions. And then finally, you probably want to serve your users a targeted, customized experience based on what you know about them. Well, LaunchDarkly's new tool, AI Configs, is here to help with those problems. So what um, it is a tool to let you serve a combination of a prompt and model and parameters that you can change at runtime without having to deploy anything. You can also collect metrics around how these prompt model pairs are performing. You can run experiments like A/B tests, and you can customize how these experiences are targeted based on your data. Now, showing is more fun than telling, so I'm going to post a link in the chat, or you can go to this QR code here. This is interactive, sorry, not sorry, but please follow along with me in this little weather app that I built. It's like a classic kind of like AI assistant demo. Right now, we're using LaunchDarkly, and I'll show you what that looks like. We're passing a prompt that says, "You're a kind and helpful weather assistant. Use a warm, loving tone to describe today's weather," because one of the most fun things about generative AI is giving it a personality, right? So if we go back here, we can say, like, kind of a saccharine explanation of what today's weather is like. Now, what if I'm not feeling sweet? What if I'm feeling a little spicy? So, I mean, you laugh, but there was a weather app called Carrot, and all it did was tell you the weather in a sarcastic tone, and people loved it, right? It's like, what if we could run an experiment to see if users like the sweet prompt or the spicy prompt better? So I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this. We're going to call it like spicy-tastic. We're going to use the same model, although we support whatever model you want. Instead of saying you're a kind and helpful weather assistant, we're going to say you are a sarcastic and spicy weather assistant. Use a playful typing while other people is watching is hard. Playful, funny tone to describe the day's weather. We're going to save changes. And then we're going to go over to the targeting tab so we can specify how we are serving this prompt. Instead of saying, give everybody the sweet prompt, we're going to say, give people 50% sweet, 50% spicy, based on a user ID that's randomly generated. So let me roll this out. I'm going to go back here. And then what I'd like you to do is put in your location and then tell me in the chat whether you got the sweet prompt or the spicy prompt and which one you like better. This is just a little Python app that's on GitHub, and I'll share the code with you as well. Um, Enjoy your weather roulette. I'd say we got the spicy prompt. That's fun. So what else can you do? As I mentioned earlier, you can use any model you want, whether it's running locally or in the cloud, or it's fine-tuned, we've got your back. And team members who can't code can manage models and prompts and run experiments. And the prompts are also versioned and archivable. In case you make a mistake, it's super easy to fix it. AI configs are in early access, so if you have a LaunchDarkly account, which by the way is free, you can add yourself to the end product waitlist. And if you have any questions, message me on LinkedIn or email me. I am here to help. Thank you so much.